Hi guys, what's going on today? Fred the Incredible here. Now, today I'd like to try something a little bit different. I'd like to recreate the together breakfast meal seen in Steven Universe. Oh, and by the way, before I forget to mention this, I I bought the Steven Universe sweatshirt off of Hot Topics website last week, and it came in the mail last Thursday. Now, for a majority of this video, I'll be going down to my kitchen and recreating this recipe. But before I can go ahead and begin to recreate this recipe, I want you all to please do me a huge favor and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well, so that way you can become part of the Incredible community. I'm trying really hard to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you enjoy this particular content, please be sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss out on any future things that I come out with. And also, please be sure to ring the bell icon so that way you don't miss out on content that I come out with as well. Now, without any further ado, let's go downstairs to the kitchen and get started. Okay, now, in an effort to recreate this recipe, I'll be using popcorn, Ready Whip, Eggo waffles, and as a little substitute for one of the major ingredients, I'll be substituting the strawberry for some sprinkles, and I'll also be using some syrup for this recipe as well. Voila! It's ready. Okay, now all that's left to do is dig into this. She's pretty good. I definitely should have taken a picture of this first. Pretty good. I want to say ultimately that was a pretty fun recipe to recreate. If you enjoyed seeing me recreate this recipe, please be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see any more cooking videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comment section down below. And also, if you guys haven't done so already, please be sure to follow me on all my social media. I'll leave all of those linked down in the video description down below. But until then, I will see you guys next time. Peace!